Understanding Make the Grade, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, make the grade. This is a common expression you might hear in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively. Make the grade is an idiom that means to succeed, to meet a standard, or to be satisfactory. It originally comes from the education system, where it referred to achieving a passing grade in school. However, it's now used in various contexts to indicate success or meeting required standards in any field, not just academics. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In academics, he studied hard to make the grade in his final exams. 2. In work, she really made the grade in her new managerial role. 3. In general use, this new phone model just doesn't make the grade compared to its competitors. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in different scenarios. It's important to note that make the grade is not used to indicate exceptional success or overachievement. It simply means meeting the basic requirements or standards. It's different from phrases like exceed expectations or go above and beyond. When you want to use this phrase, think about whether the situation is about meeting a standard or requirement. If it is, then saying someone or something made the grade is a great way to express that they've succeeded or were satisfactory. I hope this video helps you understand and use make the grade confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms like this can really enrich your language skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll definitely make the grade in your English learning journey.